morning everyone. Okay, today we learn for the nutrition food supply system. In previous class we studied about the introduction of the nutritions. All the green plants prepare a starch by the help of photosynthesis or by the help of sunlight. How you prove the small activity to you prove that all the green plants prepare a starch. Now we see here. See activity number 1. Activity number 1. See first one A. What you write that A? All the green plants prepare a starch apparatus for needed for these activities. Hard glass test tube, beaker, wire gauze, tripod stand and spirit lamp. These are the apparatus by using these activities. Once again, hard glass test tube, beaker, wire gauze, tripod stand, Bunsen burner or spirit lamp. Okay, chemical reagent or chemical substance, methylate spirit, iodine solution. Methylate spirit and iodine solution, these are the chemical reagent. Now procedure, you collect for a thin leaf in a green leaf exposed for the sunlight. Now take a test tube, in the test tube filled with the spirit, that is called the methylate spirit. Now the green leaf put inside that hard glass test tube with help of spirit. Now take a beaker, the beaker filled with water up to 3/4. Okay, the beaker boiled with the help of spirit lamp. The beaker contain water, the water boiled with the help of spirit lamp. Now the test tube placed inside the beaker contain water. So this is called the water bath. After half an hour you observe. Observation. What you after half an hour you observe? See, in the green color leaf extract for the chlorophyll. The green color leaf extract the chlorophyll. The methylate spirits and all it become changes into green in color. Why the methylate spirit it become changes green color mean the green leaf extract for the chlorophyll. Now that leaf slowly remove with help of tongs or with help of needle. Okay, the leaf bleached into the water into the petri dish. Okay, now see the test tube to remove that leaf. No, the leaf placed over upon to that petri dish, bleached into the water. In the leaf upon it should add for the 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution. See, if you add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution on the leaf, what you observe? The leaf it become changes into deep blue in color. Why the leaf it become changes deep blue in color? In the leaf presence of starch. How to prepare that presence of starch? The raw material for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll. These are the raw material for the photosynthesis. The raw material to all the green plants prepare a starch. Now come to this experiment for this activity. See how you know for this activity. See A. To prove the starch is present into the green leaf. This is the green leaf. This collect a green leaf from to the plants. Now we take for the spirit, methylate spirit, iodine solution, beaker, hard glass test tube, tripod stand and spirit, that is spirit lamp. Now take a methylate spirit into the test tube. If you methylate spirit too, you should put into the green leaf in the test tube. Why the leaf does not boiled with water? Why the leaf boiled with the spirit only? See, it's spirit too. The leaf extract for the chlorophyll. So that only the leaf boiled with the help of methylate spirit. Now that is methylate spirit kept inside that beaker. Already in that beaker contain water. The water boiled with the help of the spirit lamp. After half an hour, you notice for that green leaf. The green leaf extract chlorophyll. This leaf remove in the test tube. If you remove that leaf, see the leaf it becomes changes into white in color. This leaf bleached into the petri dish. Bleached into the petri dish. If you bleached into the petri dish, afterward you should add for the 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution in the leaf. 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution into the leaf. Now you observe for that leaf. The leaf it becomes changes into deep blue in color. Why the leaf it becomes changes to deep blue color? Oh, in the leaf presence of starch. Presence of the starch. Conclusion now. Conclusion what you write? All the green plants prepare a starch by the help of the photosynthesis. Already you know for that photosynthesis equation. See once again repeat for that photosynthesis equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise light and chlorophyll. See 6CO2 plus 12H2O. This is the reactant. See afterward the carbon dioxide water reacted produced for the glucose. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Already I wrote that chemical equation for the photosynthesis. What is the requirement of photosynthesis? Requirement means carbon dioxide, water is the requirement of the photosynthesis. What is the end product of photosynthesis? End product means after aroma, what should getting? Glucose, oxygen and water molecule. These are the end product of the photosynthesis. See very important for this one. Before aromark, this is reactant. After aromark, these are the product. After aromark is the product. Here requirement means what you write in carbon dioxide and water. See what is that end product of photosynthesis? End product means glucose, oxygen and water are the end product of the photosynthesis. See here what raw material are present in the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll. In this raw material prepared for the starch. See how to prepare the starch. Now already I explained for this activity. In this activity too, what you prove mean all the green plants presence of a starch. In this activity too, what you can prove mean all the green plant presents a starch. Okay, once again I repeat this activity. Okay, now see here. First what you write? A. A what you write? All the green plants prepare a starch. Apparatus. What you apparatus? Beaker, hard glass test tube, wire gauze, tripod stand and spirit lamp. These are the apparatus. Now chemical reagent. What is the chemical reagent? Methylate spirit, iodine solution. Methylate spirit and iodine solution. Procedure. Now take a thin leaf from to the plants. Green leaf before a sunset. See now green leaf placed in the test tube. The test tube contain what is the spirit? Methylate spirit. In a spirit inside what you placed here mean green leaf. The green leaf put inside the test tube. The test tube kept inside the water bath. What bath? Water bath. Okay, see already in a beaker contain water boiled. The boiled water inside the test tube are kept half an hour. After half an hour you notice that leaf. That leaf it became changes into white in color. Already I told that one. Inside that test tube the leaf it become changes into white in color. Why that leaf it become changes white in color mean extract for the chlorophyll. Extract for the chlorophyll. Okay, slowly remove that green leaf, put inside the petri dish, bleached into the water. Bleached into the water. If you bleached leaf upon, you should add 1 or 2 drops of the iodine solution. If you add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution upon that leaf, the leaf it becomes changes into deep blue in color. Why the leaf it becomes changes deep blue in color? because of the leaf presence of starch. The leaf contain presence of starch, so that only the leaf it become changes into deep blue in color. In this activity 2, what you prove? All the green plants prepare a starch. In this activity 2, what is we can prove? All the green plant presence of a starch. Okay, can understood? Okay.